That's a cool elevator shaft. The subway on it. There, this way. Alright. Going down into PATCO. And as you just heard me say, we're riding the PATCO Speedline in this video. I'm joined by my very good friend, Shortlane819, so if you haven't checked out his channel yet, definitely go give it a look. We got pretty cheap tickets up to Philadelphia on Amtrak from Washington, so we made a little day trip. This part of the video, or the trip, I guess, is just about PATCO, so sit back and relax as we go get our paper tickets. It's a cool sign. Alright, we're going down.
There's an air conditioning, but it's like...
Yeah, it's dysfunctional. Alright. Oh, it's nice that they have a quiet car. It's an extra step there. Alright, we're riding PATCO to New Jersey. Overall, decent station. Signage is okay once you're in the station. Signage above ground is not very good, but oh, nice PATCO there. It's American flag. There's not too much to film underground, so.
The trains are really smooth though.
Broad Street Subway.
Broad Street Subway.
Yeah, the same time as the Tide.
12, 13, and Locust.
Is there like a builder's plate
Somewhere. It's a wonderful doors closing sound. Notice how the doors are still faster than the DC Metro, even with automatic doors. We're stopping at Franklin Square. Wow. My PATCO train just stopped at Franklin Square. Station's been closed forever, but they're doing maintenance work, so we got some construction workers that got off the train here. That's crazy. Goodbye, Pennsylvania. Because of the baseball field next to the Metro line.
Yeah.
For $1.40, this is not bad. Not bad at all.
No.
Broadway.
Interesting map.
Doors open.
Well, that train just left, so we now have 15 minutes.
Yippee.
Doors open.
Yeah. Alright, welcome to New Jersey. Wait a minute, that wasn't right. Let's try again. Yep. Alright, welcome to New Jersey. Bye, Patco. This is really helpful for a screen because you want it to be legible. Oh gosh, this is
You can see the
you can tell the
pixels.
time and then date. That's about it. Like, look, if you want to know what, it doesn't tell you next train. It just tells you when there's a train. But that tells you next train. So we're in New Jersey. We're at Broadway. We might have to use the elevator as a wheelchair station. So let's go check out where the River Line comes in.
This does remind me a lot of the MDOT, Maryland, MTA,
Baltimore Metro, subway, yeah. You know what we mean.
That's cool.
Here, let me see. Artwork. And that says New Jersey. Yes. We like history. So, interestingly, on each platform departure screen, it shows the departures for both platforms. So, oh, it's closed. Okay. You just go to the other end, but that's cool. I guess they can go either track. But for 16th and Locust, it shows on either platform. So here it says 15, 16 and Locust and the Lindenwold train. So we got 14 minutes, but it shows both sides for some reason. Oh, there's just up and down buttons. Okay. Reminds me of the
horribly.
It does. But reminds me of the Baltimore subway.
The MTA.
The MTA, Maryland MTA Baltimore Metro subway link. Okay, let's go out into New Jersey. Yeah.
Want to just cross?
It's here. Trenton train. Overall, nice head house. Yeah, goodbye to New Jersey. So on the platform level at Broadway, they have this really cool tactile map. So even if you're vision impaired, well, I don't know how you know the stations. Oh, there's Braille. Okay, yeah, but that's kind of cool. So it's the crosses for the Broadbridge, for the diamonds for the regular Broad Street line, and then the dashes for the Market Frankfurt line, and then the ridged one for PATCO with the yellow dots are stations. And cool, it shows the New Jersey Transit, Atlantic City, and the river lines as well. So that is cool. It's Pat cool. It at least tells you what platform it's going to be on. Or maybe that means it's just less than 1 minute. I don't know. I can't tell if it means left platform 1 minute or less than 1 minute, and it just happens to be the... Okay, no, they're both. It's just a less than 1 minute, so looks like they're both this side, but they're gonna... One's gonna come in on that side. All right, we're waiting for a Philadelphia train.
You know what they need? Flashing lights.
No, they have that message. It does the same thing. Flashing lights are better, but... Well, I mean, both are good together. There's our train. Is that a 5-car train? Oh, it's only 4 cars. Okay. But nice that it stops in the middle of the platform because of ATC. So you've heard of a highway median metro. How about a metro median highway? As we went back to Philadelphia, we actually went through Franklin Square without stopping, which is, I think, what trains are supposed to do. But if you're a PATCO rider regularly, let me know. Have you ever stopped at Franklin Square? Is this a normal thing to let construction workers on and off? Tell me in the comments. But overall, super cool to just kind of see the GO station with the lights on, so I'm looking forward to when it reopens. Maybe it's just me, but the trains seem a little bare. Just some advertising, but...
It's very, like, sterile.
Yeah, I would agree with that. They got good brakes, though. Alright, transfer is available to SEPTA. Alright, now it's going to permanently eat my ticket. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, or subscribe. SEPTA content will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Until then, I'll see you all around.